Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to check out the departures and arrivals on the TubeMap application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, you should go to your home page and then tap on the search bar that you can find at the top of the screen, and after that type in the name of the station that you are looking for, or you can also select one from the recommendations organized into alphabetical order. So click on one of them and then click on the National Rail Arrival and Departure Boards section down below, which is the third option in this case. At the top you have two sections that you can choose from: departures and arrivals. So here you can see the departures. If you tap on it, you can find out more information, and the arrivals are also here. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.